Today, I will teach you how to rinse socks and kitchen towels without scrubbing or using toxic chemicals. This homemade trick is easy, quick, and requires very few ingredients. You'll love it. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. Here, I have a sock that has become quite dirty from walking around the house, as well as a kitchen towel that is heavily soiled. To demonstrate the effectiveness of this trick, I will clean both the sock and the towel together. However, when you try it at home, I recommend cleaning them separately. To begin, take a plastic container and add 1 liter of preheated water. As always, I send greetings at the end of my videos, so let me know which country you're watching from, and I'll include your greeting in my next video. Now, take a whole lime, cut it in half, and squeeze its juice into the water. Also, please share any tips or tricks you would like us to feature on the channel. I'm always reading your suggestions. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This powerful cleaner, when combined with lime, is highly effective. You'll notice an effervescent effect. Mix the ingredients well to remove any lumps. Now, add the sock and the towel to the container. Submerge them thoroughly using a spoon until they are completely soaked. Let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time is up, I'll show you the amazing results. Look how clean they are. The towel appears bright white, and the sock looks as if it were newly purchased. If you want to enhance the scent, you can add detergent or simply wash them in the machine afterwards. Today's greetings go to Linda Ertl from California and Karen Roy from Massachusetts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to receive more tips like this, please leave a comment below saying, "I want more tips," so I know I'm on the right track. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.